Look at the camera. Now go do something. Something exciting. You're fun.
Oh. My bar today or something like.
Oh, come here.
Wait, I'll be bored, okay? Here's what.
Oh.
Daddy wants fish. Oh, yes, but I like.
No, he doesn't eat that.
Hey, Tubby.
Hey, Tubby. Oh.
We didn't eat it. Why do you guys feed it? You need to clean out his litter box.
No, because he just doesn't like that kind of food we feed him.
So he doesn't.
Boris. Boris. Say bye. Bye. I love my kitty.